Hey, thank you for watching. This is Tripwise Guy. Tonight we are in my workshop, looking out the front door at Mount Konocti in Lake County, California. That's Northern California on Clear Lake. It is now sunset and the sun is sitting right there where the volcano had erupted many thousands of years ago and had blasted that whole section of the mountain off. Otherwise, the sun would have already set. But now we get an extra few minutes of sunlight each day as the sun sets in the crevice of the old mountaintop, which no longer exists. And anyway, thank you for watching Tripwise Guy, and you have a good night, and let tomorrow be a blessed day.